All right, straight Air MX, bro. Today's actually a really good day. I don't know if it's because nobody's out here. Got the whole track to myself. I don't know if it's because I'm gaining confidence or all the above. Bro, the dirt's great. I mean, got some rocks here and there, but bro, look at these ruts. These ruts look awesome, bro. I made this one right here around the corner. Like, look at that. Yeah, it's sweet. I'm gonna take you guys for, I guess, a little sneak peek preview or something. I don't know. Alright, as I'm getting ready out here to Straight Air MX, brought Sebastian out. I came here after school. I'm gonna do a little bit of riding with him. I'm gonna take him on the track. Not the whole track, but I'm gonna take him on some sections. Take him on some sections of the track and start getting to get used to getting back on the track and riding on a track again. So it's gonna be a good time. There you go. There you go. Pretty good, right?
I think once the rain will start more and then make this section smoother.
Yeah. You're riding really good and you're getting better. Okay. So that is going to wrap up. Just a little bit of riding here and there. I wasn't even going to ride. Sebastian wanted to ride after school. That was cool. Brought my bike out. Finally have a bike. I can do that. That blue Yami back there. But I'm excited for Sebastian, for him to be able to finally ride his Cobra and actually get on a real track. Not just like a field or like a little mini track or whatever. Actually get on a real track, real ruts, real turns, real jumps, all that. So, yeah, he had some tip overs. That's all right. He was all good. So brushed it off real easy, and it's only up from here. Breakfast is served. Make sure you guys go like and subscribe. And yeah, catch us on the next video.